Heyo, it's me, Harper Savage, and today we're gonna be coloring our own stickers. Now, I got this book from a Five Below. I've seen more books like this at Five Below and Target, so there you go. That's where you can get them if you're interested in them. But yeah, I'm gonna be coloring my own stickers today. I'm not sure what mediums can be used on this because this is my first time. There's color pencils shown, so I'm gonna be using some color pencils for sure. But, let's go ahead and do a quick little flip through of this in case you're interested in what's in here. And also so I can get an idea of what I want to color in here. They are all one-sided because they're stickers, so it was cut through. Can't really double-side sticker paper, I believe. Ooh, look at the gems. Uh-oh, red flags. Guess they're not red yet. Maybe some are green. That's on the cover, I think. Ooh, potted plants. Sorry, I'm having a hard time getting this book to stay still while flipping through it. Oh, that's cute. Old phones and sneakers. Oh, the seahorse. Now these look more like a planner stickers. There are some stars in this corner. They're hard to see because they don't have an outline. Goldfish. I mean, generic snacks. Oh, some backpacks and stationery. Oh, that dragon's cute. And like more planner-like things. They're like flags. There are tiny little star cutouts all over this sheet. Might be a little bit hard to see. Now there's like a dent here and a scuff here that came in the book like that. I don't think all the books did. I think that's just a my book thing because I didn't look through it before I bought it. I bought this a while ago, so this exact one might not be around anymore, but I have seen other versions of this book. And some snacks. Some words. Like a fancy keep going. Oh, look at narwhals and a couple unicorns. Now these ones look kind of similar to Lulu Mayo, but I know their like flipper is different. Lightning bolts. Oh, some banners. That'd be nice for planners. Peacock. Not turn the page, please. Gnome and mushrooms. That little Sharpie dot there, that was on this book too when I purchased it. I just didn't notice it. Some llamas with some funny glasses. And that's it. So now I'm gonna pick what I'm gonna color. I think I'm gonna be coloring the gems. I have my gold favors out here just because they're in a tin and I don't have to like look through my pencils to pick out anything. Just thought it'd be more convenient this way. But we're gonna test out color pencils first. So the pencils went on kind of alright. I do feel like they probably are a little bit lighter than if it was regular paper, but I guess that's to be expected. Next, I'm gonna try some Crayola Super Tips. I think that worked out pretty well too. I do think that if you kept coloring over it though, it would like start to tear the paper away. Next, I want to try some paint markers. I don't think the paint markers are too bad, just keep in mind that if you go over the lines, you might cover them up. So using paint markers in small areas might not be for the best. Now I'm gonna try some alcohol-based markers. They're just Mondo Llama, so they're not anything like fancy. I would say alcohol markers work on it fine, but expect them bleed out like it bled into my little shiny star things. Alright, so now that I know how things kind of work in here, I think I'm gonna go ahead and choose something to color. Like, I thought I wanted to color the crystals here, but not really. Alright, that's it. I'm gonna color a rainbow. You can't stop me. Right, it's not like a fantastic job or anything, but I think it's still a fun activity to do. Alright, because I don't think I'm gonna want to stick the stars and hearts near the rainbow, I'm not actually gonna color them. Let's see if there's anything- ew. I think I want to color this. Like, I don't know if I should be putting a shadow here, like... kind of like a severed head. Weird. Gosh, I've kind of forgot how, much work it is to color with colored pencils. I just came off of doing Inktober, so I'm kind of rusty. Alright, I think that's all I want to do to Unicorn. So next we have to test and see how good these stickers are. See how sticky they are, how they peel up. Alright, peeled up pretty easy. They are paper, so they will probably tear if you're rough with them. The stickiness feels about average. I'm not like a sticker genius or anything, so I can't really tell you for sure. But we can stick it on something to test it out. So as you can see here, I just pulled out my sketchbook. I stick stickers to my sketchbook if you couldn't tell. This gem doesn't actually match the theme or anything, but I'm sure there's some stickers we can rip off here. There are some that are taped on because I didn't want to stay on. Just enough space. Maybe I should peel off a different one that's smaller. You know what? It doesn't have to be one that's colored, right? We could just peel off whatever one we want. I guess now's a good time to test if it can be restuck easily in case you change your mind. And if it will stay. Looks like it will. I'm just gonna take this tiny gem here and see how well it sticks to the surface of my sketchbook. Pretty good. Oh gosh, I guess you guys didn't see me put it on that well. But yeah, it's pretty good. Let's see if it peels off. Yep. So I say the sticker's a pretty good quality in stickiness and repealability. So that is gonna be it from me today. I'm trying to get back into the swing of things, so sorry if this video isn't that great, but you know, I just came off of Inktober. I'm still exhausted and tired. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the video anyways. Don't forget to do all the cool YouTubey things of comment, liking, and subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!